How to use Google Workspace Vault hidden feature. To use the Google Workspace Vault hidden feature, first of all, you have to have a Google Workspace account. This feature is not accessed or will not be able to access from the personal account. So first of all, you have to create a new account or simply upgrade your personal account to the Workspace account. Once you do so, all you have to do is sign into your Google admin console from your desktop, then go to the apps, Google Workspace, and then head to the Google Vault. From there, click Service Status and set it to Off for everyone, and then change the setting to On only for specific organizational units that contain your IT, security, or legal teams. This removes the Vault shortcut from the app launcher for regular users while keeping background data tracking active for the whole domain. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.